Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Spark, where learning English is simple and enjoyable. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our fantastic listeners. It's wonderful to be here with you all today.
It's great to see you too, Paul. How are you getting on this week?
I am all right, thank you. To be honest, I'm feeling a bit drained today.
Oh, that's not good. Drained?
Yes, it's just been a very hectic week.
Yeah.
So much work, so many tasks. Life just feels like it's moving too quickly right now.
I know that exact feeling.
Yes.
I think most people understand that when life gets overwhelming.
Yes, it feels like total chaos.
Yes. Chaos. That's a brilliant word for it. When everything is disorganized, confusing, and moving too fast.
Exactly. That describes my week perfectly.
Yeah. Well, I think that's an ideal topic for our discussion today. How to handle it when life feels difficult.
That's a fantastic idea.
Yeah.
How to find a sense of calm when things are challenging.
I love that. It's such an important conversation to have.
Me too.
But But hold on, before we dive in, and we have a quick favor to ask our listeners.
We do. If you're listening right now and you enjoy our podcast, please take a moment to click that subscribe button.
It's free for you, but it means the world to us.
Yes. Please subscribe to English Spark and give this episode a like. And if you can, please share it with a friend or family member.
It truly helps our channel grow, and it allows us to create more episodes for all of you. We appreciate it so much.
Yeah.
So
Difficult times.
chaos. Sometimes it's a bad week or even a bad month.
Yes.
You might feel sad or stressed.
Yes. It's just a part of being human. Everyone faces these hard times.
Yeah. That is so vital to remember. You are not the only one.
Yeah.
So when you feel that way, Emily, what's the first thing you try to do?
Yes. Honestly, my first impulse is to stay in bed and hide from the world. Me too.
Just pull the covers right over my head.
But that doesn't actually solve anything.
Yeah.
No, it usually makes me feel worse.
So what I try to do instead is find complete quiet.
Quiet?
I find 5 minutes, I sit down and I pray.
Yes.
And I can talk about my struggles.
Yes.
And I talk to God, and it makes me feel less alone.
Beautiful that.
It gives you a place to put all those worries.
Exactly. I have faith and I believe in Jesus Christ, and I feel He can provide me with strength.
Sure.
That is a power to just keep going.
Yeah.
Yes.
My faith also helps me remember that these difficult times, they don't last forever.
That is so true. Everything is temporary. There is a
yes.
beautiful phrase about that.
Sadness may last for the night, but joy comes in the morning.
Yes. I love that saying. It gives me so much hope. A new day is always coming.
We just need to be strong and wait for that morning.
Yeah.
But be strong is easy to say and hard to do.
I agree. What does be strong really mean? Does it mean you shouldn't cry?
Oh, no, I think crying is healthy.
Yeah.
For me, be strong just means do the next small thing.
The next small thing.
True ELA. Yes.
When life is chaos, we can't fix everything at once.
Yeah, exactly. It feels impossible.
Yeah.
So don't focus on the huge problem.
Right.
Just look at the very next step.
What's an example of a small step?
Like just getting out of bed.
Yeah.
That is
Yeah.
step one.
Awake she for step 1. Okay, I can manage that.
And then brush your teeth.
Step 2.
Good job.
I understand. Very, very small actions.
Yes.
Yes.
Just one simple thing.
Yes.
When you accomplish one small thing, you feel a tiny bit better.
I like that. It makes the chaos feel smaller.
Something that is incredibly important to me is people.
Yeah.
My friends, my family.
Oh, yes, 100%.
Oh, yeah.
When I feel sad, my first instinct is to be alone. But it's the worst idea.
It is. We need connection. We need each
Yeah.
other. Call your friend.
Yeah.
Call your mother or your father.
Or meet someone for a coffee.
Coffee is always a good idea.
But talking is.
But the talking is the important part. Sometimes you just need to laugh.
Laughing is the best medicine. It really is.
When you laugh with a friend, the world just feels lighter. These good moments recharge us.
That is so
So
true.
do not face the chaos alone.
Yeah.
Find your people and find the small joys.
The small joys? What do you mean by that?
It's a bit like the small steps. In a difficult day, we must actively look for the good things.
Look for them? but the problems are very loud.
Yes, they are. So you must actively find the small, quiet, good things. Like this cup of tea I'm drinking. It's warm.
That is a small joy.
Or the sun is shining. Or I heard a great song on the radio this morning.
Yes, music. It's a fantastic help. It reminds us that life is not 100% bad.
Yeah, this is all wonderful, but I have a question.
So, go for it.
Sometimes the difficult time, the chaos is learning English.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
That is so true. Some days the grammar is confusing or I keep making mistakes.
Yes. You feel stuck. You feel like you're not making any progress.
Yes. And I want to give up.
I think every single English learner feels this way sometimes.
Yeah, it is completely normal. So can we use our tips for this too?
Absolutely. Remember your hope. Why are you learning?
Yeah.
For a new job, to travel.
Yeah.
Remember that goal.
And take small steps.
Yes. Don't study for 3 hours. Just study for 20 minutes.
Yeah.
And talk to people. Find a study partner.
Yeah. This was a great talk, Paul.
Yeah.
The tips are the same for life and for learning.
Yeah, they are. Thank you all so much for listening. We hope these tips were helpful.
Before you go, please subscribe to English Spark and give this episode a like and a share.
And we have a question for you.
Yes.
We would love to read your comments in English.
Yes. Please tell us, what is one small joy you found today or one small step you will take for your English?
We'd love to hear from you. Thank you again for listening.
Thank you, everyone. We will see you next time. Bye for now.